Okay guys, today's video we're making these pots. Oh, mine's upside down. We're making these pots. So, but mine's a shark. And mine's a robot. I'm getting ready. I'm ripping this open. Oh, sorry, ripped open. Yeah. Okay, let me keep mine over here. This is. Oh, this is a pot. Oh, it didn't break. Oh, I got mine in this, so it doesn't break. Mine fell out of my box. Why did it break? Okay. I know how to do structure. No, it shows you how to do it. Alright, let's open these instructions. Okay. So one. I need the pot. Well, yeah. Alright. So it should be similar. Okay, so we need our pots. We have our pots. Yep. There's the teal. Okay, we need to open this. So we should have. Yep, we have everything in here. These scissors. Just yank it open. Oh, you said we need scissors? Yeah. Look at this. Look. You just open it like a bag. No, mine isn't like yours. Yes, it is. Let me see. Oh my God, Dylan. Look. Give me that. Use your eyes.
Look, Mom! No hands!
Oh, nope. It's eyeball fell. Oh, mine doesn't have an eyeball. LOL. Alright. Alright. They folded it. Where's the arms? There is no arm. Yes, there is. Look, arms. Whatever these are. Yep. We have this. It's a card that you can book things out of. I think this is that. Yes. I have everything. There should be lots of things in your thing. If you ever get this, we found this from Michael's. Get it from Michael's. Michael's is a great place. It's an arts and crafts store. No, we got some of the candy. Yeah. I got some stuff. Here we go. But I already got stuff from the instruction. All right. So how I do this? Is this a sticker? Not these. So first thing, it says we have to have these, the little earring pearls. Make sure you're telling them what to do. Okay, so I'm gonna open these. These like these. Is that the starting one? Two of these. Yep. It says right here. And well, no, you start right here. Right here? Yep. Oh. 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 That's all the things that you're supposed to have. All right, hand. You can figure that out. Okay. I have my two earrings out, so I have to put them on the ears. Oh, I need glue. You need glue? Yeah. No, let me see. Oh, the sticker. Yeah, it's peelable. 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 Bro, he's gonna look so cool after this. After this, yeah. It's gonna look so cool. Ew!
Ew, boogers!
Okay. Step 2, I need teeth. I put it back on. So guys, the thing that's supposed to be 60 at the bottom, it fell off, but I got it back on. Kinda. Oh, I got this. Make sure. Okay, this one didn't fall off. Good. This one actually sticks on. Alright, here. He has his earrings. He looks beautiful. Or she. Alright. Let's see. I can't. It says there's supposed to be a little shiny circle thing. Okay. What is this stuff? Okay, this we have this. It's blue, but it's supposed to be purple. There's an outline on there, the bright blue one to stick it to. So fast forward. Okay, so I got this. Put his teeth on. How do I do that? This. Okay. Okay, now I need his. Alright, I'm gonna fin. Oh, yep, fins. Get those out. Alright, next one is this shiny thingy. I dropped it. I have to make sure I'm not dropping anything. I'm good. But I need help. I need help. Hang on. What do you need? I'm gonna put it like this. Yeah. Let me see. There. You can do that. Okay. So this is what it looks so far. Good job. I have to get this out, so I got the teeth in the $90 thing. This takes a while. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get this thing off of the tape. Here. So I got the outline off. Oof. Oh god, got the outline off. Oh, gotta peel this. Satisfying moment. Listen. So satisfying. Okay, Andy, look. This is so far. Hey, no. Andy. Show that to the people. This is it so far. The fins are going back. Okay, step 3. Put on the eyes. No. Oh, yes. Did I mess up? Oh. What? No, I didn't. Oh, but here. I got the outside. You probably can't tell, but okay. I got the top. So satisfying. So satisfying. Okay, we're done with that. I think. Oh, okay. So here you should have a display card. Plot twist, it's not an actual card. It's a I don't know if I'm messing up, but that's okay. If I messed up. Uh-oh, it's ripping. Oh. Ooh, I got it off. Messed up. Messed up? Yep. I need help. Oh! There's another fin. Oh, we just figured something crazy out. There is. Yeah. This is it. Just in case you see, I know, it's like rips or something. No, it isn't. It's supposed to be for the actual thing. Now I get it. Bruh. How did I not know that? Bruh. Okay. Found the eyeballs. So, but it sticks together. Why am I doing this for you? I just need help. So now it's like that. Now you have to fold them out. So then it like that. There we go. But you can keep those like that. It's already on there, so you can just keep it. Okay, let me go. I'm done. Okay, let me. Oh, I messed up. Oh, no. Nope, you need a tail. Okay, try and do it for you. Where'd I put the tail? The tail? Yeah. On the back. Oh, I'll help you in a second. Oh, no. Oh, this. Not coming. Oh. So you put them together. You put them together. And you put them together. I think so. Yeah, you stick them together, but not the bottom pieces. You stick these together. I did it. Wait, they're going up, or they're going the wrong way. Annie, why are they going like this? Uh-oh. I need help. Annie. I need help.
Help me!
Alright, let's go. It's a little crusty. No, it's so crusty. Crusty. No, because the glue came off a little bit. No, it's crusty. It's the glue. You're ripping off the glue. That's just making it crusty. This is so hard. Who knows something from kids is so hard? Here's what it looks like so far. Okay, so now you put the... There you go. You're done. Good job. Here's the back. Here's the side. And the other... Here's the other side. Alright. Let me focus on this one. I'm done. I don't know how to do this. Huh? Stick on the back. It's not sticking. Because it's not sticky. Okay. Am I missing something? What am I missing? I'm definitely missing something here.
Okay, whatever. I guess I'll just hold it like this for now.
Turn it over then. What did you put on my head? Nothing? Nothing. Put a sticker. Ow!
Ow!
Oh, it ripped some hairs out. It ripped hairs out. You could. There's hairs. My hair came out. Ow! That hurt. I know that's what you get. It actually hurt. You know, but you did it to me. Okay, I got it on. Alright, finally, I'm done with the head. Alright. This is hard. Alright. So, the next step is to peel this, and we are supposed to put it around. So, we have to put it around here. Somehow. So, look. I guess it wraps around, which is good. So, I just wrapped it around. It's supposed to be like that. And the instructions say, now for the arms. Peel these out to, look. Alright. So, you already made that joke.
Oh, you want to hear a joke? It's windy, it's windy outside. Welcome to Wendy's.
Guys, get that joke? Guys, life lesson, when someone says totally, like, I totally didn't buy that. That you know that they did it. You know what I sound like? Alright, I got it out. My thumb. This is my thumb. Woo! This takes a while. Okay, I got his arm on. I don't care what it looks like. I'm almost done, guys. Don't worry. Alright. I don't know what I'm gonna ever put in that pot. Like, maybe like pens and pencils, but... Is it supposed to be pointing up or down? Okay.
Okay, now I got it.
Alright, I got it on. Don't judge it. Please.
This actually pretty cute. Pretty cute.
Now what? It's done.
Okay, so that's...
Thank you guys for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and enjoy the show.